When shopping for a client's second home, I always take into account where is that second home and what are they doing with it. These are two great examples of things that I've chosen for two different clients. One has a second home, Northern California. They're very casual people, beautiful, beautiful china and flatware, all from Table Art, one of my favorite places. This is for a client that's got a Pied-à-Terre in Manhattan, New York City. A little bit edgier, a little hipper, a little cooler, and they loved it. Taking into consideration where that second home is, what my clients love, I create the perfect place setting just for them.